Great job, Kieran, putting the light up on the welding desk and also repairing the clock and giving it a new home. Fantastic. Chris added a knife to the goods in desk with a standard, also giving the ladder a standard home and location. Perfect. Patrick fixing what bugs him, moving a box of screws onto much better location to allow easy access. Nice improvement, Alex, with a stand location with a label paper, and Josh drawing a bracket for Peter's gloves. Me and Chris have been working on a pop-up studio in our meeting area, so we screwed the OSB wood to the wall to allow us to screw products through the white paper onto the background. The backdrops roll up and down so we can put it back to an empty meeting space at no problem. It's quick and easy. So we've got continuous new LED lights which give a perfect light. Really works fantastic. And also we have all the tools in place to mount products on the wall. So we have a box of screws, level, pencil, a drill, cleaning products to clean the products, a side table to help lay things out, and it's all mobile and flexible. And that's a sign we put up a few years ago now. We've always struggled to do good pictures, but now I think that's over. We've got a fantastic setup. It's very flexible, it rolls back up. We can put 2 other different rolls of paper on there. Gives perfect light. Smartphone photography of any products. Comes out fantastic with very minimal effort. It's my favourite improvement for a long time. And also on Saturday, me, Chris and Sławek, we decided to put a new fence up here. So it's been up there 5 years now and it's all a bit falling down. It does need renewing. So we had to remove the old existing fence. It was a very hot day. I think it got up to 29 degrees in the hot sun. Sławek, we trained him how to drill the holes on the digger. And there it is finished, but we were short 1 concrete post, so we couldn't finish the last 2 panels, but we'll do that next Saturday. It looks premium. Great job, everyone.